This is a 1949 Cameron Brothers Thimbledrome engine, made in Chino, California, in 1949 for Cox had made the little Champion pull cars, and Cameron Brothers made this little engine to fit in it, and you have to cut away on the Champion race car to make it fit, but it fits with their custom-made rear end. They're just fun little engines. This one has good turnover. It's got a little nice sized piston, a spark plug, as you can see, and it even has rings. Just a great little vintage scarce motor.